Now, Pakistan had the Fateh missile, of course. We just told you about it. What about India? We've been telling you about India's weapons in this conflict too. Tonight, let's also tell you about India's secret weapon. This man, Khwaja Asif. That's right, the Defense Minister of Pakistan. That's his official title. But his real full-time profession, it is sabotaging Pakistan and helping India. And I'm not making this up. Unlike the Pakistanis, we have proof. On the 22nd of April, Pakistan-backed terrorists killed 26 people in India's Pahalgam. 3 days later, Khwaja Asif goes on Sky News. The anchor asks him about Pakistan's links to terrorists, and this is what he says.
But you do admit, sir, that Pakistan has had a long history of backing and supporting and training and funding these terrorist organizations.
Well, we have been doing this dirty work for the United States for about 3 decades, and West, including Britain.
It was quite the revelation. Asif straight up admits that Pakistan is basically doing the West's dirty work. It was a rare moment of honesty, so much so that even the anchor was left startled. But Khwaja Asif was unbothered, and honestly, maybe this is his version of therapy. He looks like a man who enjoys spilling state secrets. Listen to this.
जहाँ तक मदारस के स्टूडेंट्स का ताल्लुक है, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है कि वो हमारी एक सेकंड डिफेंस लाइन है. वहाँ पे नौजवान जो पढ़ते हैं शहरी दफाع के लिए या दूसरी ज़रूरतों के लिए जो है ना बिल्कुल 100% इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है.
Khwaja Asif declares madrasa students are Pakistan's second line of defense. Let that sink in. Not trained reservists, not a disciplined paramilitary force, teenagers are Pakistan's second line of defense. And we can understand why. The strategy is quite simple and sinister. Step 1, radicalize teens. Step 2, hope for the best. And step 3, and this is an important one, always blame India. Khwaja Asif knows this too well. But there's a small problem with that. You see, when you go on state TV, they lap up everything you say. But foreign media is not so generous. And Khwaja Asif learned that the hard way. 2 days ago, he went on CNN and claimed that Pakistan had shot down 5 Indian jets. The anchor made the terrible mistake of asking for proof. And that's when Khwaja Asif panicked. He cited social media as proof. He said the evidence is all over social media. As things stand, his blunder is all over social media, but Khwaja Asif was not to be deterred. You know what they say? Once bitten, twice shy. Does not apply to him. In his case, it's once bitten, twice crashed. Because yesterday, Asif went on Al Arabiya News. He talked about India's false flag operation. Again, the anchor asked for some proof, and Asif behaved like every employee who's pretending to work from home. Suddenly, he couldn't hear the anchor. He asked her to repeat the question, and he asked her to speak loudly. It was less defense minister and more an intern faking technical issues during a performance review. And we aren't the only ones who noticed how bad he was. Pakistan's MPs are suspicious too. One MP even asked this question in Parliament. Why does Pakistan send Khwaja Asif to do interviews?
यहाँ पे डिफेंस मिनिस्टर का स्पेशली जो रवैया है वो बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. यानी इंटरनेशनल मीडिया में अगर अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है तो ना जाओ. If you cannot defend your own country, don't go there. Don't mock yourself. Don't mock your government. Don't mock your state. अगर आप बयानियां वहां पे बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते हैं, आपसे वहां पे सवाल करते हैं और आप आगे से कहते हैं कि जी पाकिस्तान दहशतगर्द पालता है.
Let me repeat that. Why does Pakistan keep sending Khwaja Asif? Is it a strategy? Is it self-sabotage? Or is it because nobody else wants his job? Because let's be honest, throughout this week, Khwaja Asif did not fight India. He damaged Pakistan. He fought Pakistan's PR team, and we can only thank him. No Indian official has done more to expose Pakistan's strategy than Pakistan's own defense minister. Every time he speaks, India scores. The damage is recorded, internationally televised, subtitled, and archived on YouTube. So the next time you see Khwaja Asif on TV spilling state secrets like he's on a late-night therapy podcast, just remember this. Some countries have enemies. Pakistan has a defense minister called Khwaja Asif.